Okay, well, good morning students. As we were discussing in our previous video for standard 10, how to find the solution of a linear equation in two variable by using algebraic method. And in the algebraic method, we were discussing by using substitution method and by using elimination method. Also, I had discussed some questions of exercise 3B and some rest questions of exercise 3B by using elimination method we will discuss in this video. Okay. Just actually in our previous video, whatever the questions I have discussed, hope so by using that video till question number 39 you all can do. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 तक आप लोग सब कर सकते थे, बट अगेन आई एम जस्ट डूइंग ओवर हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. मैं 38 फिर से बता रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 के सिमिलर में आपका बहुत सारा प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था, लेकिन अगेन आई एम जस्ट डिस्कसिंग ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 एंड सम मोर क्वेश्चंस वी विल डिस्कस इन द वीडियो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. तो whenever you will go through the elimination, आपको सारा कंसेप्ट पता है कि elimination मेथड में क्या करना है. elimination मेथड में हम बताए, एक once again I am just going to discuss. elimination मेथड में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था. At first we will select which one should be eliminated. x और y किसको एलिमिनेट करना है, सबसे पहले वो सेलेक्ट करना है. After the selection, whatever you want to eliminate, their coefficient must be equal. उसके coefficient क्या होने चाहिए? Equal होने चाहिए. If their coefficients are not equal, we will make them equal. अगर वो equal नहीं है तो हम लोग उसको equal बनाएंगे. कैसे बनाएंगे? On multiplying by a suitable number to the given equations. Then we will see whatever we want to eliminate, their sign are equal or their signs are different. दोनों के साइन सेम है और दोनों के साइन अलग है. If their signs are equal, same sign है, their sign are same, on that moment equation 1 will be subtracted from equation 2 or equation 2 will be subtracted from equation 1, or if they having different sign, on that moment equation 1 will be added to equation 2. मतलब जैसे भी हो उसको एलिमिनेट करना है. सेम मेथड वी विल अप्लाई ओवर हियर. तो सर यहाँ तो x y इसमें भी है, फर्स्ट टर्म में भी आप देख रहे हो x y, सेकेंड टर्म में भी x y देख रहे हो. तो हम बोले कि इसको आप डायरेक्ट भी बना सकते हो, और दूसरा तरीका क्या है, whenever the denominators are same, on that moment आप उसको assume करके भी बना सकते हो. तो चलो इसको मैं assume करके भी बनाता हूँ. Let 1 here, what you have been given 2 upon 3x plus 2y, means 2 into 1 upon 3x plus 2y. Here you have been given, and similarly here what you have been given, 5 into 1 upon 3x plus 2y. Is that clear? Means we will assume 1 upon 3x plus 2y becomes u, and similarly 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to v. एक को u ले लिए, एक को v ले लिए. Go through the question. As you will go through the question, you will get 2u plus 3v becomes 17 by 5 and limit is equation number 1. कितना सिंपल लग रहा है देखो, और ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है. Similarly, go from second information. Here you will get 5u plus 1v equal to 2. Limit is equation number 2. Now the question is in the form u and v. तो जो काम हम लोग x and y के लिए कर रहे थे, सेम वर्क we will do over here for u and v. u और v के लिए वही काम करेंगे. तो चलो अगेन वी विल सेलेक्ट व्हिच वन शुड बी एलिमिनेटेड, किसको एलिमिनेट करने हैं। तो चलो हम लोग यहाँ अगर आप u को एलिमिनेट करोगे, u को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए उसके कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करना होगा। तो इक्वल करने के लिए आपको 5 इक्वेशन 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा और 2 इक्वेशन 2 में। बेहतर है क्यों ना v को एलिमिनेट करें। अगर हम v को एलिमिनेट करेंगे, फॉर द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ v we will have to multiply 3 to the equation number second only। यहाँ 3 भी है और यहाँ 1 भी है, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो ये 3 भी हो जाए। दोनों का साइन क्या है, सेम है, तो दोनों को क्या करेंगे, मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो। मीन्स we will have to do what, equation number 1 minus equation number 2 into 3। equation number 1 2u plus 3v becomes 17 upon 5। On multiplying by 3 this becomes 15u plus 3v becomes 6। Actually you are subtracting, their sign becomes changed। This will be off, here you will get minus 13u equal to what, 17 upon 5 minus 6 upon 1। Any doubt? Minus 13u becomes 17 minus 60 upon 17 minus 30 upon 5 on taking LCM। Minus 13u becomes what, on subtracting, minus 13 upon 5। Minus minus of, what we will get here? Here u becomes what, 1 upon 5, 13 13 cancel। Here u becomes 1 upon 5, value of u you have got, just put the value of u either in equation 1 or in equation 2, you will get the value of v। Now what we will do, substitute the value of u equal to 1 by 5 in the equation number 1। What is the equation number 1? 2u plus 3v equal to 17 by, फ्रैक्शन में है, क्यों 1 में पुट करें, 2 में पुट करो, इजी होगा। Here 5u plus v becomes 2। 5u, 5 into 1 by 5 plus v becomes 2। v becomes 2 minus 1 means v equal to 1। As you can see, u equal to 1 by 5 and v equal to 1. We don't want the value of v and u. Question wants the value of x and y. Now we can replace u from whatever we have assumed. So as you have assumed u equal to what? 1 upon 3x plus 2y. Since u equal to 1 by 5 and u can be replaced by 1 upon 3x plus 2y equal to 1 by 5. On getting cross multiplication, what you will get here? You will get 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Leave it as equation number 3. Is it clear? And similarly, just replacing v from this, we will get equation number 4. Now, since v is equal to 1 and v becomes what? 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to 1. On getting cross multiplication, 3x minus 2y becomes 1 and leave it as equation number 4. Just go from equation number 3 and 4. अब जो वर्क करो वो 3 और 4 के लिए करो। 3x plus 2y and 3x minus 2y क्या करें? किसी एक को एलिमिनेट करो तो यहाँ तो ऑलरेडी सेम है कोफिशिएंट, तो आप ऐड कर दो। नाउ इक्वेशन नंबर 3 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 4। 3x plus 2y becomes 5. 3x minus 2y equal to 1. On adding, sign will not be changed. When sign will remain unchanged, it becomes 6x equal to 6, x equal to value of x you have got. Substitute the value of x either here or either in equation number 3 or in 4. Now substitute the value of x equal to 1 in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? 3x plus 2y becomes 5. 3x means 3 into 1. It will be what? 2y becomes 5 and 3 1s are 3. On transposition minus 3. 2y becomes 2, y becomes and x becomes, means here we have got x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Understood? Clear? Similarly, the rest all questions can be done. Okay. Some more questions I am just discussing. Write down at first. Now I will discuss. Watch question number 40 now. 4G. Okay. Watch question number 40. See question number 4G. X plus y equal to a plus b. X plus y equal to a plus b. And another one. Ax minus by. Ax minus by is equal to a square minus b square. This is the question. So just leave it as equation number 1 and leave it as equation number 2. Now, no worry. At first we will decide which one should be eliminated. किसको eliminate करते हैं? तो चलो y को eliminate करते हैं. अब y को eliminate करने हैं तो उसके coefficient क्या होने चाहिए? Same होने चाहिए. तो यहाँ y का coefficient क्या है? What is the coefficient of y? Is over here. तो y का coefficient यहाँ b है. और इसमें कुछ नहीं 1 है, तो आप क्या करना होगा? b से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. मीन्स नाउ इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इंटू b प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ऑन मल्टीप्लाइंग b to equation 1 we will get dx plus dy equal to b into a plus b, and similarly ax minus by equal to a square minus b square. Actually you are adding, that's why sign will remain unchanged. Plus by minus by off, and here what we will get? Dx plus ax, and here ab plus b square on solving the bracket plus a square minus b square. Minus b square plus b square off. On taking x common, we will get a plus b, and here on taking a common, we will get what? b. On taking x common, we will get b plus a, and on taking a common, we will get here b and here what? A. You can see b plus a off. Finally, we have got x equal to a. ओके, ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि कोफिशिएंट लिटरल वैल्यू हो तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. सेम एज आप बनाओ, आंसर जो होगा वो लिटरल होगा. कोफिशिएंट न्यूमेरिकल है देन आंसर विल बी न्यूमेरिकल, और इफ द कोफिशिएंट इज लिटरल देन आंसर विल बी लिटरल. ओके, एंड सिमिलरली व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ, substitute substitute the value of x equal to a in which one is easy? Hope so equation A1 is easy. Substitute the value of x equal to a in the equation number 1. What is 1? Now question in your mind, sir इसको equation 2 में नहीं put कर सकते हो? The answer will remain unchanged. Answer unchanged होगा, मतलब आंसर जो है चेंज नहीं होगा. x plus y equal to a plus b. Value of x, what you have? a plus y equal to a plus b. a of. Finally you have got y equal to b. Y equal to b and x equal to. This is the answer. And similarly you can do rest all questions. 41, 42 till 50 rest all questions you can do in the same way. Okay, watch question number 50 now. X upon a plus y upon b becomes a plus b. And another one, x upon a square plus y upon b square becomes 2. This is the question. Just leave it as equation number 1 and leave it as equation number 2. Again we will decide y और x will be eliminated. हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे कि किसको एलिमिनेट करें. तो चलो फिर से किसको करें? बाई को ही करते हैं. यहाँ भी बाई को किए थे, यहाँ भी बाई को करते हैं. तो बाई को एलिमिनेट करने हैं तो व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ बाई? बाई अपॉन बी का मतलब हुआ बाई इनटू 1 अपॉन बी. मींस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ बाई इज 1 अपॉन बी एंड हियर 1 अपॉन बी स्क्वायर. तो 1 अपॉन बी में 1 अपॉन बी और मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो 1 अपॉन बी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. फिर मतलब अगर बाई को एलिमिनेट करने हैं तो इक्वेशन 1 में क्या करना होगा? 1 अपॉन बी से मल्टीप्लाई करो और क्या करो, दोनों का साइन सेम है. मीन्स ईदर इक्वेशन 1 will be subtracted from equation 2 or equation 2 will be subtracted from equation 1. Means what we will do here? Now equation 1 multiply 1 by b and minus equation number 2. So on multiplying 1 by b it becomes x upon ab. Actually 1 by b multiply कर दो by upon b square and it will be what? a plus b upon b. Okay, and x upon a square by upon b square becomes 2. यहाँ आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. On subtracting by upon b square of here what we have got? X upon ab minus x upon a square is equal to what? A plus b by b minus 2. From here we will have to find the value of x. So as you can see both of these terms having x, take x as a common. On taking x common it will be 1 upon ab minus 1 upon a square and it will be what? A plus b minus 2b by b. Any doubt? Means here again we will have to take LCM ab and a square. ab a square LCM from a means LCM will be a into b into a square b. From this a square b will be divided by ab, we will get what? We will get a. And a square b will be divided by a square, we will get b. into x. Here a minus b upon b. Any doubt? X into a minus b upon a square b equal to what? Equal to a minus b upon b. You can see a minus b of. Similarly b and b of. Here you have got what? You will get x upon a square becomes 1. On getting cross multiplication, x becomes a square. Value of x you have got. Similarly, or you can say by substituting the value of x in the equation number 1 or in the equation number 2, you will get the value of pi. Means now substitute the value of x equal to a square in the equation number 1. What is your equation? Or in the equation number 2? That's it. Which one is easy for you? चलो equation 1 से here x upon a plus y upon b equal to a plus b. X, value of x, a square upon a, y upon b, a plus b. Means we have got a plus y upon b equal to a plus b. A of, we will get y upon b equal to b. On getting cross multiplication, y equal to b square, x equal to a square. Means you all can do all the questions of exercise 3B. Any problem? Hope so. No any problem. If you will face any problem, you can ask. Done? And this is all. Rest part of the chapter we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.